Ano ba yung purpose ng challenge na to? So, main purpose lang naman ng challenge na to is to show you na posibleng mapalago yung kapital mo kahit maliit ito. So, tatry natin na ma-achieve yung goal na yun. So, what's up mga ka-investa? I hope na okay lang kayo, and I hope na okay lang din yung portfolio nyo this trading month. September has been a really good trading month, and ang daming binigay na market opportunity, ang daming binigay miss market na trading opportunities and magagandang stocks na stock yan. So, nandito si CHP, ang dami. So, ayun, ang daming outliers, ang daming binigay na high flyers. So, ayun, in this video, I'll be showing you a stock market challenge, stock portfolio challenge na yung 25K, tatry natin gawing 2.5 million. So, I'll be showing you this trading challenge. So, nauuso yung mga stock market challenge. Merong 100,000 peso stock market challenge, merong 50,000 peso stock market challenge. So, yung akin, I'll be doing my best to keep it at its lowest, which is yung average monthly salary ng Filipino, ng average Filipino. Yan. So, 25,000 peso. So, isang buwan na salary ng average Filipino. So, tatry natin tong challenge na to. Tsaka, ito. Okay. So, ano ba yung objective nitong challenge na to? So, objectives and goals of this stock market challenge. So, yun, very straightforward. Yung 25K pesos, tatry natin gawing 2.5 million pesos in a span of 5 years. So, 5 years. From 25K to 2.5M lang yan. Di ba? 100 times yun. So, kung iisipin mo, asa ka naman, Goya. Parang, wow, ang lupit mo naman. Ayun, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa actually. Hindi ko pa nagagawa tong gantong galawan. Well, yung portfolio ko, napalago ko siya with deposits. And in this stock market challenge, we'll do our best na wag mag-deposit dito sa portfolio na to. So, bakit 2.5 million yung target natin? So, yun, moonshot thinking lang. Ibig sabihin ng moonshot thinking, you're aiming for the moon. You're aiming for the moon, and if hindi mo na achieve yung moon, you will land sa clouds. Okay, so ayun, moonshot goals. Importante na may realistic goals din tayo. Useful yan. But a moonshot goal is very transformative. So yun, china-challenge yung isip natin on how to achieve that moonshot goal in a short period of time. So, ayun, 2.5 million pesos yung long-term goal natin. And ayun, under that, a long-term goal, we have short-term goals. And under that short-term goals, meron tayong two types of goals. And number 1, process goals. Number 2, P&L goals, or yung profit and loss goals. So, bakit ba natin to ginagawa? Una, kailangan sa bawat endeavor na tinatahak natin, kailangan meron tayong proseso. And meron din tayong measured targets, which is yung P&L goals. So, yung process goals, ito yung mga process-oriented na bagay-bagay na kailangan natin ma-achieve. Itong P&L goals, it is a measure na kung na-achieve ba natin. And it is a measure kung na need natin ma-achieve month on month or on a specific period of time. So, process goals. Number 1, only take trades with reward risk ratio of greater than 3. So, tuturo ko yung mga logic behind reward risk ratio moving forward. So, this stock market challenge series, and onti-ontiin ko kayong turuan ng mga basics on how I trade. Okay, so next process goal, big wins, small losses, but never big losses. So yun, big win, ibig sabihin, a big win is a 5% to 10% portfolio gain. So kung iisipin mo from 100k, 5,000 pesos or 10,000 pesos na kitaan yung big win. Or at least, mali pala, 5 to 10% yung small wins. 10 to 30% yung big wins. And greater than 30% big wins. Small losses, yan yung mga port loss na tigo 1% lang or 2%. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Let's say you have a 100,000 peso portfolio. In this case, 25,000. So 100k na lang muna para mas madali natin ma-visualize. A small loss is 1 to 2% portfolio loss, which is 1,000 pesos to 2,000 pesos in terms of 100,000 pesos na portfolio. So yun, we'll be looking sorry, kape lang. Ayan. So we'll look into it in terms of cash value. Okay. So ayun, next na process goals is focusing on alpha setups. So tong alpha setups, moving forward, papakita ko sa inyo ano yung mga setups na ginagamit ko, ano yung trading system na ginagamit ko. So yun, next, P&L goals naman. Basic lang, 8% average port gain per month. So, ito yung ito yung benchmark ko. And if hindi ko siya ma-achieve, ibig sabihin, I'm doing something wrong. Another P&L goal naman, which is having a max drawdown of negative 10%. So, let's say you have a 100,000 peso portfolio value. Kailangan up to 10,000 pesos lang yung iwawala mo sa isang trade. So, yun. Bakit 8% average port gain, sir? So, ang ginawa ko, nag-calculate ako ng compounding interest and it says that na per 5-year period and an average of 8% monthly portfolio gain in compounding terms, ma-achieve ko yung 2.5M na target. So, kung titignan mo dito, 8% interest rate, calculation period is 5 years, and compounding interval is monthly. Kung titignan mo, on year 1, kailangan by the end of the year, ma-achieve ko tong value na to, tong 62,954. $62,954 or pesos. Kasi peso tayo. So, on year 2, kailangan ito yung maging ending balance ko and so forth. And by the 5th year, ito yung magiging portfolio value ko by 2025. Okay. So, 5-year 5-year series to. So, medyo matagal-tagal. So, yun. Compounding interest, gagamitin lang natin yung power of compounding. So, yung 1,000 pesos, gagawin mong 2,000. Yung 2,000, gagawin mong 4,000. Yung 4,000, gagawin mong 8,000. So, alam nyo naman na yung concept ng compounding. If you don't know the concept of compounding, you can search it on Google or YouTube nyo. Basically, parang pinapalago mo yung pera mo. Exponentially mo siyang pinapalaki. Power compounding. So, ma-achieve natin tong goals natin by having a proper risk management. So, tuturo ko sa inyo moving forward yung mga risk management parameters ko, yung techniques ko on how I tranche, on how I trade, and how I size my positions. So, just to give you an overview, yung risk management ko dito, pwede akong mag-all-in, pwede akong hindi mag-all-in. So, since small portfolio pa lang siya, as much as possible, dapat fully deployed ako lagi to maximize gains. Ang kailangan ko lang i-manage is yung cut loss areas ko. So, tight cuts ako dyan. Tight cuts ako sa setups ko. And kailangan bantay din siya ng mabuti. And kailangan 1 to 2% lang ang nawawala ang mawawala kada losing trade ko. So, yun. Small wins, big wins, small losses, but never big losses. Next is focusing on alpha setups. So, in poker terms, pocket aces lang or pocket kings, pocket queens lang yung ititrade ko na kung ihahalin tulad mo sa poker. So, nandito yung mga all-time high breakouts, nandito yung mga continuation patterns, mga spring setups. Yan. So, unti-untiin ko yan ituro sa inyo. And papakita ko yun sa inyo moving forward on my trades. So, yun. Focusing on alpha setups. Next is, ayun nga, para mas mapabilis yung progression ng gain sa portfolio is I will utilize tools to my advantage. So, imbes na hacksaw gagamitin ko or itong maliit na lagari na to, ang gagamitin ko is a table cutter. I'll be using technology to my advantage para mas madali ko mabantayan yung stocks na tinitrade ko, mas madali ako makahanap ng stocks na ititrade, and mas madali ko matatrack yung trades ko. So, tools used. Yun. InvestaPrime lang. So InvestaPrime lang. Okay, so ayun, medyo promotion din siya, but I'm sorry. Pero ito talaga, honestly, ito yung ginagamit ko and malaking tulong to sa akin. And the link to InvestaPrime is on the description below. So yun, di pa ako sanay mag-ganyan-ganyan. Ayan, so InvestaPrime number 1. Okay. Tools used, InvestaScreener. So, I'll be using InvestaScreener to scan stocks using my parameters. So, I'll be prioritizing uptrending stocks and stocks above my black band indicator. So, tuturo ko sa inyo on how to use my black band indicator moving forward. And papakita ko sa inyo yung mga screeners na ginagamit ko. Next, InvestaWatcher. Okay, so InvestaWatcher helps me to be alerted when my price entries gets hit and my indicators get hit. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Teka nga. Okay, so ito, InvestaWatcher. So, ang technique ko dito, I have my focus list, I have my positions. So, nakasort siya. So, mabuting nakasort siya para na-manage mo siyang maayos. So, in this case, pinakita ko sa inyo na price alert. So, nandito yung entry price alerts, target, cut loss. Meron din siyang specific na entry, cut loss, na indicator-based alert. So, sa akin, kadalasan kong ginagamit as entry is MA9 and crossed above. So, let's say a stock is below MA9. If it crosses above MA9, yun yung nagiging entry ko. So, in this case, one example is this. In this area. So, itong black band, you can compare it to MA9. Itong black band ko is my special indicator na next time ko lang ituturo sa inyo how I use it. So, MA9. So, pwede kang gumamit ng indicator-based alerts. Yan. Entry, MA9. Cross above. So, in this case, dito is currently above MA9. So, I'll be using it as a cut loss or a tail stop. So, MA9 should cut loss alert ko, MA9 price about to cross average below. So, ganun lang. So, I'm utilizing Watcher Plus. Next is InvestJournal. So, InvestJournal, natatrack na ito yung trade analytics ko, yung mga high quality trades ko, mga mistakes ko, ganyan. And nandun din yung strategies ko, yung mga buy and sell parameters ko, etc. etc. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung InvestaJournal later. Okay, so next is yung Investor Risk Management Calculator. So, tuturo ko sa inyo yung basic calculation ng how to position size, but if you're lazy, ayun, paminsan tinatamad din ako, ginagamit ko na lang din to. Itong risk management calculator. So, assuming 100,000 portfolio, ito yung cash at risk. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, for every loss, dapat in cash value mo siya tinitingnan. Dapat for a 100,000 portfolio, dapat 1,000 pesos lang yung winawala mo per losing trade. So let's say dito, entry price mo is 5 pesos, cut loss mo is at 450. Gawin natin 480. Masyadong wide. 480. Okay. Target is at 7 pesos. So, papakita niya na kung gaano kadaming shares dapat mong bilhin. Para if ever matalo ka, 1,000 pesos lang yung mawawala sa'yo. Ganun lang kasimple. So, in my case, the portfolio is currently at 43,000 pesos. Ito yung quantity of shares na dapat kong bilhin. 1,700 shares lang for dito. Okay, so risk management calculator. Next tool is ito. InvestaPro Premium Watchlist. So, itong InvestaPro, ginawa namin siya. And isa ako sa mga main creators nito and ideators nitong InvestaPro. Di ba, meron siyang pakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay. So, stop share. Screen share ko lang ng InvestaPro. Ayan. So, yung InvestaPro, punta lang kayo dito. Tapos makakapili ka na ng watchlist, ng mga watchlist na may specific stocks na malalakas. So, ito, may mga secret formulas behind it na nag-determine kung itong stock na to ay under a pullback setup or momentum setup. So, madaming types ng watchlist. So, in this case, itong pullback, kadalasan ito yung ginagamit ko. So, I spot swing trades dito. So, buy on dynamic support, yung mga ganito. Or continuation patterns. So, to, yan, now dito, ALK, MAH, Eagle, and so forth. So, itong InvestaPro, malaking tulong siya dahil na-rank mo din yung mga stocks sa malalakas. Pwede ka rin mag-start from the bottom. So you're betting na mag-improve itong mga stocks na to moving forward. Yun. So, ganun lang. Utilize tools to your advantage. Okay, stop share ko na. Okay. Yun. So, InvestaPro. Isa to sa mga ginagamit ko. Okay, so limitation nitong stock market challenge na to is, ayun, no deposits, gains from pure trading only. May mga stock market challenge kasi na pwedeng mag-deposit and hindi naman masama yun. But, hindi niya nagagaranti na from trading lang lahat yung kinikita mo. So, itong stock market challenge na to is a skill-based challenge. So, kailangan ko palaguin yung pera from trading alone. Okay, so portfolio check. March 2020, yung ledger na itong account na to is at 24,368.95 or i-round up natin to 25K. So, ganun lang. Ito yung post-market cash, nag-recover ng market. So, tinatry ko pa kunin yung bottoms, no? Dami kong losses. Yun. April 2020, ito yung naging progress niya. No big wins. Tigga 100 pesos nga lang kita dito. But umabot naman ng 25 to 26K. So, 1K gain relative to 25, 24K. Yun. So, nasa around 3% month-on-month gain. May 2020, ito yung naging ending equity, 26K. So, trades ko dito, MWC dito. Ayun, MWC lang for this month. So, low frequency trading lang to. I'm focusing on high quality setups and ang main objective is to trend follow the high quality setups para hindi ko kailangan ng lagi nagtitrade dahil small account na nga, papakainin mo pa sa coms and taxes. So yun. Next is June 2020. Ang biggest gain ko dito is yung dito. Dito, from 225 na benta ko at 368. Yun. So, kung pwede nyo i-spot sa chart kung paano yung ginawa ko dito. So, 225, itong Konso pattern lang na yan, binili ko. Tapos, follow ko lang to 338. Ang naging stops ko lang is yung black band ko on the daily. So, daily time frame pa rin tayo. Very straightforward, very simple trading approach. No stress. July 2020, biggest loss is at negative 4K, yung map. I forgot yung naging setup ko dito. I-discuss ko na lang soon. Dahil basic pa lang naman yung tinitingnan natin dito and ledger checking pa lang. Okay, so negative 4K ako dito, which is really bad. Pangat nung performance ko nung July. August 2020. Okay, so decent gain with ASIN, 4K gain. Nabawi naman yung yung loss. September 2020, ngayong month na to. Ito yung naging ending balance ko. Yun. Di ba, skinratch ko yung whole sim trade ko, which is a Spain setup. Turo ko sa inyo yung Spain setup soon. But ayun, scratch whole sim, reallocate to ASIN. So ngayon, hawak ko pa yung ASIN. Cost ko dito is at 3.10. Stops ko dito at 3 pesos. So yun, account is currently at 43K. Yun, started April 2020 at 24,368 pesos. Ngayon, 43K na, which is 75 to 77% year-to-date performance. So, pwede na. So, kung titignan natin sa Investor Journal, yan lang. Okay naman, steady yung equity curve ko. Sucks lang, hindi ganun kalupit. But, unti-unti natin. So, target natin by end of year or April 2021, target natin 63K or sabihin na natin 70K pesos. Okay, so ganun lang. So kung titingnan mo, unti pa lang ng trades na nakukuha ko, but napalago ko yung account from 25K to 43K. Net PNL ko, 17K expectancy, which is yung expected gain mo per trade is 5K. Tuko ko sa inyo yung mga edge ratio, profit ratio soon. So, average trade length ko dito is 21 days. Medyo long hold siya. Since then, following yung priority dito. 10 following setups yung priority dito. So, ano ba yung purpose ng challenge na to? So, main purpose lang naman ng challenge na to is to show you na posibleng mapalago yung capital mo kahit maliit ito. So, tatry natin na ma-achieve yung goal na yun. And along the way, papakita ko sa inyo yung methods and yung mga techniques na ginagamit ko. Pati yung tools na ginagamit ko. So, yun. Kung hindi man natin ma-meet yung goal na yun by 2025, yun. Mainly to educate you lang din on how to trade systematically. So, no strategy, no trade, no plan, no trade. Ganun lang. And, ayun, to help you understand the fundamental concepts and logics in trading. So, focusing on logics and concepts, on logics in trading, no? So, unti-unti natin i-discuss bakit nangyayari yung gantong galaw, bakit po ginagawa itong mga gantong galawan, and so forth. So, light mentoring din to. So yun lang. So, what do you want me to discuss, no? Comment down below. Okay, so nagaganan-ganan na tayo. Comment down below. So, trade setups ba, risk management parameters, emotion management, etc. So, comment down below, guys, kung ano yung gusto nyong i-discuss ko dito sa 25K challenge and how I achieved it to become 43K ngayon. So yun, guys, click the thumbs up button kung trip nyo yung video na to and yung stock market challenge na to. click this like button din kung di nyo trip, and sabihin nyo kung di nyo trip para ma-improve ko on how I deliver my presentation and how I deliver yung kung paano ko i-educate. Ayun, yun lang. So main focus ko lang dito and main objective ko dito is to educate you guys and to give value sa inyo. And I hope may natutunan kayo, and I hope na-inspire ko kayo na paluguin yung pera nyo and to apply proper risk management and proper trading methodologies and systems. Ayun, yun lang guys, and I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good trading month this October. And ayun, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and yun, tatry ko yung best ko na sagutin yung mga tanong nyo. Yun lang naman guys, and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
What's up mga ka-investa? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and comment down below. And for more stock market lessons, just follow our YouTube channel and click the bell button to receive notifications.